Hi friends, today on Know Your Produce, we're gonna be making green apple juice. My son wanted to make apple juice with green apples and he wanted it to be green, so we're gonna show you how we make green apple juice. Let's get started. Cheers. We have 6 apples. I'm using green apples because this is a green apple juice. And then we have a whole cucumber. I'm gonna cut the cucumber in half and then I'm gonna remove the core from all of the apples. You could use an apple core, but I find that I have an apple core that doesn't work well with smaller apples. So you could just remove them like that. And then you could use those for compost, or I actually like to use them for a simmer pot. And if you get any seeds in there, you could just remove the seed. While our juicer could cut through the core and you could juice the entire apple, I like to cut it out because I don't want any cyanide in my drink. So as you can see, this is all green. If you wanted, you could add other colors, but we're going for a green apple juice, which is gonna be really fun and delicious for my son and daughter. They like green apple juice. So my little guy wants to fill it up. What I did is I put a little half of an apple in the bottom so that hole doesn't drop any of the fruit when he puts it in. You could load it, baby. He loves to juice with me, and one of the biggest things for me was when I was buying a juicer is something that's family friendly. Mommy didn't cut those. I'm gonna let you stick them in on the top. Remember, you like to do that? Yeah. Okay, you could put the apples and the cucumbers in and the ginger.
Break it in half.
Oh, you wanna break it in half? Okay, you could do that too. So he's very hands-on and puts whatever he wants into the juicer, as you could see, and it juices it beautifully. But I really researched like best juicers for families, and this was the first one that I ever saw with a chute like this. This is the larger hopper, which I love so much, and it has been such a lifesaver. We're gonna fill this once, but they come with a smaller hopper, and that is perfectly fine to use too. I love that one as well, but I'm making a larger batch of juice, especially when you can eat that, yeah. If I was making a larger batch of juice, I could just fill this and fill this and fill this. I'm just doing it once. Oh, I'll take a bite. Thank you, baby. As you can see, this is the large pitcher, and this is the one that comes with the J2. But I'm using this today because we're not making a huge batch, but this is what I use for batch juicing. It's about double.
Ginger.
You like ginger, right? There's more apples here. Do you want to save some for you to snack on? Okay. Here you go. Put more in. And you want to save these for you for the snack? We're going to save these for him for snacking. And as you can see, I fit all of it in here. I probably would have filled 1.5 of the other one. So we're going to place this onto the bottom part with the auger, and then you're just going to slide this piece, not the handle, this piece onto this piece, and it should snap together like that. And then we're going to put this right onto our juicer base. Oh, you hear that noise?
Yeah.
Good job. Ready to drink that juice? It smells good.
Are you going to chew the juice after?
Oh yeah, always. Always chew the juice. There will be a little foam, so if you don't like that, you can strain it. 1. 2. Cheers. Our green apple juice is done and ready to enjoy. Here it is. It's got a little bit of foam at the top, which always happens with apples, but you can remove that with a strainer, but we don't mind the foam, so we're gonna go ahead and enjoy it. You wanna try it? Did you try it yet?
I didn't chew it.
It's so good.
I didn't chew it.
You didn't chew it? Why not? He always chews his juice. And he said, Mommy, I'm gonna chew it. Chewing your juice actually activates the digestive enzymes to help you absorb all the nutrients from the juice. So you want to make sure you're not just guzzling your juice down, but actually chewing it and activating those enzymes.
I just put on my stepstool.
Be careful. We hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. We'll see you soon with another delicious tip or recipe. Bye, friends.